At this point, you are now in process, which means you have requested to join a call center company. And thank you for choosing NVA Virtual Solutions, LLC. Okay, so after this step, it requires us as your call center company to accept your request. Okay, this can take 24 to 48 hours. If you would like to speed up the time frame, I suggest you send an email to careers@nvavirtualsolutions.com. Again, that's nvavirtualsolutions.com. And you would insert your name, your CSP ID or user ID inside of the email and put that you're requesting that our call center company accepts your request. After your request is accepted, there will be additional waivers and non-disclosure forms that is required to be filled out electronically. Once those are completed, we would then finalize you as your call center company. Again, that process can take 24 to 48 hours. And if you would like to speed up that process as well, go ahead and send us an email to careers@nvavirtualsolutions.com with that user ID and your name requesting to be finalized. Thanks again for choosing us. We welcome you.